12 drummers drumming, 11 pipers piping, 10 Louis 9 ladies dancing, 8 maids of milk and 7 swan, 6 geese a laying, 5 golden.
Welcome y'all to Vlogmas 2025. I'm gonna try to do it again this year, y'all. Last year I was semi-successful, was very unorganized, but you know, it's fine. It's life. I did it as I went. Not too much planning was involved. Y'all, my hair looks crazy because I just took my bonnet off and it's trying to, you know, get back to its form. But anyway, I'm drinking my coffee. A lot is happening today. It's Cousin's Day, so me and my cousins are going to do a whole lot of stuff together. We are going to go skating. That's at 10. Y'all, it's 7:58. I have nothing to wear, so I got to figure that out. At 10 to 12:30. And then, although I'm not rushing to get there because I don't have no kids, so I'm just going to really take my time. 10 to 10:30, 10 to 12:30, and then lunch at 1 at Kanki. And then we're going back to my aunt's house to do pictures, pajama pictures. We bought matching pajamas and we're going to do that. And then, hold on, I need a coffee break. And then after the pictures at my aunt's house, I'm coming back home. I need to clean and start organizing, or maybe taking some stuff to my office because I'm seeing clients there now. So I want to build up, you know, the way it looks. So every time they come, it's something new and it's starting to come together, all that stuff. And I'm going to do some advertising for my new business. I have a consultant business where I do trainings and like I go to conferences and do sessions. I do trainings. I go to schools, all that type of stuff. So I need photos, branding stuff, excuse me. I'm gonna be doing a lot of branding stuff over the next few weeks. So you guys are gonna come along with me with that as well, like logo, pictures, flyers, kits, stuff like that. I'm gonna be putting that stuff together. So it's go time for me because I have a timeline of when I need to get things done. So we're gonna be doing that. Y'all, my skin, y'all see that? It's so red. I don't know what is happening. I gotta figure this out. But anyway, y'all hear my washing machine upstairs. It's going crazy. All right, so y'all come with me, help me figure out what to wear so I can halfway be on time. All right, let's go. I stayed up all night building this. Well, not all night, but I was up building this. I did it late. And then these two tables right here, I built those. Y'all see boxes because I'm deciding if I'm going to attempt to make a gingerbread house for Christmas Eve party that we're having at my grandparents' house. So I just decided to keep the boxes from all the stuff I bought from my office. So we'll see how this goes now, but I'll figure this out later. Good morning, guys. Well, not good morning. I already talked to y'all earlier today. So I'm at the skating rink. I'm at, yeah. We used to always come to United Skates. It used to be like Skating Ranch or something. It used to be some other name. But anyway, we're out here off Traywick Road and skating. I'm waiting for everybody. I'm first. And this is a first for me. I'm usually like the last or close to the last person at the location, but it looks like everybody's running a little behind, so I'm waiting for them. Y'all, did y'all know that there's a clear bag policy at the skating range? I don't know. I don't skate. I don't come skating often, so I gotta figure out what to do with all my stuff. Cameras, phones, lip gloss, lotion. I have so much stuff and I don't know. My cards. I have no clue. I'm just gonna have to take my coat and yeah, that's all I could think about that I can do is just take my coat because I don't have any pockets and I didn't realize that it was this type of party. So yeah, I'm wearing a green sweater outfit. It match, pants match, and some brown boots. It's my outfit for the day. And I'm gonna see, today is a content day. I am hoping that my whole family, that everybody skates. My aunt probably, she's not gonna skate because she's a little bit older, so she's like, nah. I low-key, y'all, am trying to decide if I'm gonna skate or not too, because I'm getting older, and I hope I don't fall, but if I do, it's gonna, I don't know, that healing process, I'm gonna be hurting, but we're gonna see. The kids skate. Noah, my little cousin Noah, he skates all the time. I don't know about the other boys. I don't know if they skate, but I feel like they do, because Trey loves to skate. Well, he used to anyway. But yeah, hold on, I'm gonna show y'all. This is right there. We used to, when I say used to go there all the time as kids, on the weekends we used to come, and was it a weeknight? I can't remember. I don't know, but I just know we used to come here all the time. And my church too, my old church used to come here also. We came here a couple times. Well, not a couple, all the time. Y'all, we used to have like concerts. It used to be late. Like, we would have a regular youth service, a concert, and then late night skating, and we would leave here until like 2 a.m. in the morning. It used to be a wild time back in the day, but that was fun. That was great fun. I will forever cherish and remember those days. All right, enough of my yapping. I'm going to call and check in with my family to see where everybody is, because it's 10:25 and nobody's here yet. So let me find them. Guys, made it to the skating ranch, but it's music in here, so I'm not gonna vlog in here because it's too loud. Go, Christy! Huh? Where Noah? Alright, y'all, so we just finished skating. Now we're heading to, and Christy over here acting crazy. We're about to go eat and then go take our pictures. We're gonna pass by my aunt's old house where like all the memories and stuff are made. I'm gonna show y'all. They don't own it anymore, but it's that greenhouse right there. So many memories were made at this house right here. Ugh, my whole childhood is here. It's crazy. Skating is so much work. Oh my gosh. Y'all, we out here on skates. Look at those. Whew. Let me show y'all my skates. Oh no, you good. It's on me. I'm gonna try to find my cousin. Cause it's hot. Let me show y'all my skates.
Time our world famous go-kart has made its way over to the red lockers. If you'd like to purchase.
So we've made it to Kanki. We're waiting for everybody else. We're eating. I'm mostly excited about our photos, our Christmas photos. But I don't have socks. I don't know about my sock situation. Come on. Content thing. It is.
Grandma's what?
The camera eats first.
Don't eat it. Yes, please. Noah, you gotta get some brown sauce.
Wow, we got ginger sauce. Yeah.
Yes.
Ginger sauce.
Oh my gosh.
Do I think I like it?
That's on the case. I heard 3 Ks.
The song
said cake, cake, cake.
Oh, cake. Cake. Like cake.
I like it. Well, you know when he wants to be called. I'm not a baby. He wants to be called White Dog.